Hello, welcome to the wonderful world of yoga. Starting something new can feel scary, but yoga is for everyone. You don't need to be flexible or strong. Just bring yourself and an open mind. Let's begin. Yoga is like a moving meditation. It connects your body and mind. We move through poses called asanas, and we also focus on our breath. Yoga helps us feel calm and strong. It is a journey of self-discovery. Yoga offers many benefits. It can improve your flexibility and strength. It can also reduce stress and improve sleep. Yoga helps us connect with ourselves. Yoga is a practice of self-care and love. It is a gift you give to yourself. Let's learn some basic yoga poses. These poses are great for beginners. We will start with mountain pose. Then we will try downward dog. Finally, we will relax in child's pose. Remember to breathe deeply. Section 5, mountain pose, stand tall and strong. This pose, also known as Tadasana in Sanskrit, is the foundation of all standing poses in yoga. It may look simple, but it is a powerful pose that helps you connect with your body and the earth. It is a pose of strength, stability, and stillness. When you practice mountain pose, you are not just standing, you are standing with intention and awareness. This pose teaches you to stand with confidence and grace, both on and off the mat. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Ground down through your feet. Feel the four corners of your feet pressing into the mat. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, anchoring you firmly in place. This grounding sensation helps you feel stable and secure. Your feet are your foundation, and a strong foundation is essential for a strong pose. Take a moment to really connect with the ground beneath you. Notice how it feels to be firmly rooted in place. Lift your chest and relax your shoulders. Keep your arms at your sides. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head, lengthening your spine. This elongation helps you stand tall and proud. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not tense. Let them melt away from your ears. This relaxed posture allows for better breathing and a sense of ease in the pose. Your arms should hang naturally at your sides, with your palms facing forward. This open stance invites a sense of openness and receptivity. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel the breath travel down to your belly, expanding it like a balloon. Exhale slowly and fully, letting go of any tension or stress. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present and centered. This mindful breathing helps you connect with your inner self and the present moment. It is a moment of meditation within the pose, a chance to find stillness and peace. Feel your connection to the earth. Imagine the energy of the earth rising up through your feet, filling your body with strength and stability. This connection to the earth is grounding and calming. It reminds you that you are part of something larger, part of the natural world. As you stand in mountain pose, feel the support of the earth beneath you. Know that you are strong, stable, and grounded. This pose is a reminder of your inner strength and resilience. Stand tall and strong, both in your practice and in your life. Section 6, downward dog, stretch and strengthen. Start on your hands and knees. Step your feet back, hip-width apart. Lift your hips up and back, forming an upside-down V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart. Relax your head and neck. Section 7. In this section, we will focus on a restorative yoga pose that is perfect for winding down and finding a moment of peace in your day. This pose is known as child's pose, or balasana in Sanskrit. It is a gentle way to stretch your back, hips, thighs, and ankles while calming your mind and relieving stress. Let's dive into the details of how to perform this pose correctly and reap its numerous benefits. Child's pose, rest and recharge. This pose is often used as a resting position in yoga classes, but it can also be practiced on its own whenever you need a break. It is a simple yet powerful way to reconnect with your breath and body. To begin, find a comfortable spot on your yoga mat where you can kneel down and focus on your practice without distractions. Kneel on your mat with your knees wide apart. This position helps to create space in your hips and allows for a deeper stretch. Make sure your knees are comfortable and not strained. You can use a blanket or cushion under your knees if you need extra support. Take a moment to settle into this position and feel the grounding connection between your body and the mat. Bring your big toes together. This small adjustment helps to stabilize your lower body and provides a solid foundation for the pose. Your feet should be relaxed, with the tops of your feet resting on the mat. Feel the gentle stretch along the tops of your feet and ankles as you prepare to move into the full expression of the pose. Sit back on your heels and fold forward. As you do this, Allow your torso to drape over your thighs and your forehead to come to rest on the mat. This forward fold is soothing for the nervous system and helps to release tension in the back and shoulders. If your forehead doesn't reach the mat comfortably, you can place a block or a folded blanket under your head for support. Rest your forehead on the mat. This gentle pressure on your forehead can help to calm your mind and reduce stress. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest functions. Take a few moments here to notice the sensation of your forehead against the mat and allow yourself to fully relax into the pose. Relax your arms by your sides. You can choose to extend your arms forward with your palms facing down, or you can let them rest alongside your body with your palms facing up. Both variations have their own benefits, so feel free to experiment and see which one feels more comfortable for you. The key is to let your arms be heavy and relaxed, releasing any tension you might be holding. Breathe deeply and let go of tension. As you settle into child's pose, focus on your breath. Take slow, deep inhales through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then exhale slowly and fully, allowing any stress or tension to melt away with each breath. This mindful breathing helps to center your mind and brings a sense of calm and tranquility to your practice. Stay in this pose for as long as you like, enjoying the restorative benefits it offers. When you're ready to come out of the pose, gently lift your torso and return to a kneeling position, taking your time to transition smoothly. Section 8. Breathing, the heart of yoga. Breathing is essential in yoga. It helps us connect with our bodies. Pay attention to your breath as you move. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Breathing calms the mind and relaxes the body. It is your anchor in yoga. Section 9. Listen to your body. Your body is your best teacher. Listen to what it tells you. If a pose feels uncomfortable, stop and adjust. Never push yourself too hard. Yoga is about honoring your body. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the practice. Section 10. Finding your yoga flow. Yoga is not just a physical exercise. It is a journey of the mind, body, and spirit. It is about finding a balance within yourself and connecting with your inner peace. In this chapter, we will explore how to find your unique yoga flow, a practice that resonates with you and fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Start with short yoga sessions. When you are new to yoga, it can be overwhelming to think about long, intense sessions. Instead, begin with short, manageable sessions. This approach allows you to ease into the practice without feeling pressured or overwhelmed. Short sessions can be just as effective in helping you build a strong foundation and develop a consistent practice. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. You might think that a brief session won't have much impact, but even 10 minutes of focused practice can significantly benefit your body and mind. These short bursts of yoga can help you develop a habit, improve your flexibility, and reduce stress. Over time, you will find that these small increments add up, leading to noticeable improvements in your overall well-being. Find a quiet space where you feel comfortable. Your environment plays a crucial role in your yoga practice. Choose a space that is free from distractions, where you can fully immerse yourself in the experience. This could be a corner of your living room, a dedicated yoga room, or even a spot in your garden. The key is to find a place where you feel at ease and can focus on your practice without interruptions. Practice yoga 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is essential in yoga. Aim to practice at least 2 to 3 times a week to build a routine and see progress. You don't have to practice every day, but regular sessions will help you develop strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. By setting aside specific days for your practice, you create a rhythm that becomes a natural part of your weekly routine. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the duration. Enjoy the journey. Yoga is a personal journey, and it's important to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. As you become more comfortable with the poses and your strength increases, you can start to extend your sessions. Whether it's adding a few extra minutes or trying more advanced poses, the key is to enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Remember, yoga is not about perfection. It's about growth and self-discovery. Embrace each step of your journey and find joy in the practice. Section 11. Embrace the journey. Congratulations on taking the first step. Yoga is a lifelong journey. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Celebrate every milestone. Yoga helps you grow stronger, calmer, and more connected. Namaste.